Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see, on Snapchat. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner and press onto your profile. So you'll see your Bitmoji icon just up here. What that's going to do is take you across to your account page, and from here you want to come up to the top right-hand corner and press onto the gear icon to go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is scroll down a bit the page, and you're going to see the two-factor authentication option just down here. So what you need to do is give that a press. And this is where we can come to actually enable two-factor authentication. So from here, all you need to do is come and press the green continue button at the bottom. Then what you can do is choose how you want to receive your verification code. So you can do that via text message or through the authentication app. So you can generate a code on your device using an app such as Google Authenticator. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and select text. Then on the next screen, you just need to enter your mobile number and press the green verify button at the bottom. So after you've done that, a code is going to be sent to your device. So you just want to enter that into the verification code box and then press the green continue button at the bottom. What's going to happen now is it's going to give you a backup code. So you want to make a note of this backup code and keep it somewhere safe. If you can't generate a login code, you'll need it to log back into your Snapchat account. Make sure you do save this because without it, you could be locked out for good. So make sure you take a screenshot of your backup code. As you can see, two-factor authentication is now set up and ready to go. So that's basically how you can activate two-factor authentication on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.